What are the 3 golden rules for metal detecting? Every metal detectorist wants to continue to get better and to get better at hunting and better at finding gold or coins or relics or maybe something else. They do so through experience. The more you hunt, the more you find, and the better you get at it. But you can also learn a lot from the experiences of others. I have compiled 3 golden rules for metal detecting. These 3 rules applies to metal detecting for treasures, for coins, for relics and for gold. These 3 golden rules include some tips that you may not have considered that might just help you get better at metal detecting sooner rather than later. So the number 1 golden rule: there is no such thing as hunted out. Never discount a location to detect or a site because you assume that it's been hunted out. If a site has produced significant finds already, it's highly probable that there are more there to find. No one ever gets it all. Changing the depth and sensitivity settings on your detector may just help you locate more finds. Slowing down a little bit more may help you detect more targets. Expand your work area out a little further and detect in and around stumps and the base of a tree. Work the paths, the tracks at any location. Detect under branches and move objects if you can. Number 2 is to search with purpose. When you are detecting a site, be sure to do so in a pattern. Be methodical about your approach. Work out how you can be sure your search coil covers every square inch of the surface in that search area. Most detectors use a grid pattern when searching, but you can use whatever pattern you choose so long as it helps you to discover what is below the ground, and ensure that you cover every inch of the ground of the search area with your coil. So number 3 golden rule is dig everything. As you're practicing and learning, it can be impossible to know if you're getting a signal from trash or from something substantial. The only way you will know for sure is to dig that target. Dig everything and familiarise yourself with the response signals of different items that you do dig. Sometimes junk can mask a really good target. You don't want to miss something valuable because of your frustration or your impatience. Dig all targets. Good targets are usually found in pairs, in sets or groups. For example, if you find 1 coin, there's likely to be more. If you find 1 gold nugget, there's a fair chance you will find another. Keep detecting in the same area, the same spot, but do so with a plan in your head. Do so with a methodical approach. Stay safe out there and happy prospecting.